Let's learn a new movement. Follow me, please. Ready? Begin. Right foot, half step forward. Right wrist, you see, there is a change. Relax your wrist. Counting 2, sit back, turn your body to the right. Now your right hand is at the inner side of your elbow, your right hand. Both elbow expand a little. And counting 3, left foot, turn, adjust. The heel touching the floor. And your elbow squeeze. Change the angle. You will see me like that. Your left hand is right in front of your nose. Your right hand press in toward the left elbow. Okay? Again. Ready? Half step forward. Wrist relax. Sit back. Elbow expand. The right foot, heel touch the floor. Elbow going down. When you are done, left hand is in line with your nose. And your left hand, like that, bend slightly. Your right hand press in beside your elbow. Like that. I will bring my hands back so you will see the movement in a very clear way. Okay? This is the last step we have, 搂小步. And then the new movement, 手挥琵琶, play the lute. Counting 1, half step forward. You see the heel? It's not yet touching the floor. The heel lifting up. So most of the weight is on your left foot. This is counting 1. Counting 2, shift the weight to the back. Raise up left heel. Counting 3, like that. Pay attention, your knee is not absolutely straight. Slightly bend your knee. Most of the weight is at the back. So it's like 60 to 70% of weight is at the back. 30 to 40 at the front. Again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Again. Half step forward is counting 1. Sit back is counting 2. 3. Left heel on the floor. Counting 1, the password is half step forward. So say that to yourself. When I say counting 1, and you say half step forward. Okay? Ready? Go. Counting 1. Good. And counting 2. Password is raise up left heel. So when I say counting 2, you tell yourself loud, speak out, say lift up left heel. Okay? Go. 2. Good. And counting 3, the password is left heel on the floor. Okay, let's do it one more time. Ready? I only say the counting, you say the password. Counting 1. Counting 2. What do you say? Counting 3. What do you say? Okay. So if you do it very quickly, it looks like this. Don't follow, just watch me. If you do it quickly, it's 1, 2, 3, like that. When you follow, counting 1, the chest almost no change. Counting 2, you see my chest is no longer facing 9 o'clock. If where you are is 9 o'clock, I turn my body. As I'm shifting weight to the back, I turn my chest this much. From here to here. Do you see? That's a lot. And watch. Counting 3. When I adjust the left foot, my chest turn back again. Okay? So now please add the turn to counting 2 and 3 together. Ready? Half step forward. 1. Turn your torso to the right. 2. And then counting 3. Turn your chest facing forward again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? Both hands going forward. 1, 2. Turn your body to the right. Turn. Have your left hand in front of your body. And your right hand is beside the elbow. Now you feel both elbows expand, right? Expand. And then 3, have this movement, not like a bird flying. Yes, fly, open, fly, open. Last time, hold, please. You heard me already. Where is your left hand? Moment ago I explained. In front of your nose. Where is your right hand? Beside your elbow. Okay, like that. How about left arm? How straight it is? Look, this is absolutely straight, slightly bent. Right hand protect the elbow. Again, ready? 1, extend forward. 2, turn your body. 3, elbow squeeze, turn your body back. This is your right hand. Counting 1, extend. Yeah. Counting 2, as you turn your body, elbow bend. The Wushu style, not the Taiji speed, Wushu speed. Okay? 1, 2. Keep your eyes on me. 3 is a push. Turn your body. Your hand push inward. You see, this is out, right? Hand push inward. Okay, beautiful. Again, ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Turn your body back. Squeeze. Hey, beautiful. Again, 1, 2, 3. Push. Right, good. Let's do it slowly. Keep your eyes on me, huh? 1, 2, and 3. Squeeze inward. Now we can do both arms. Ready? 1, both arms move forward slightly. 2, turn your torso to the right. 3, both elbows squeeze. And left hand point up, fingertip pointing upward. Right hand squeeze in toward the elbow. Again. Ready? The faster style. 1, 2, 3. Again. Ready? 1, 2. Elbow go down. 3. Okay. Now the details about the left hand. Counting 1, we already know, just relax, right? And then left hand counting 2, it's like, it's this movement. If you have the fist, it's like that. But now just open your hand. Here is called the tiger mouth. And then number 3 is a squeeze and push. It's 2 in 1. With your turning, with the turning. 2, turn your body, beautiful. 3, turn your body back, and there's this cut movement. Go. 2, 3, turn back your body. Fast movement. Ready? 1, 2, 3, both elbows squeeze and left hand cut. 3. Ready? Fast, forward. 1, forward. 2, turn your body. 3, turn your body back, squeeze. Again. 3 times fast. 1, 2, 3. Again. Ready? Forward. 1. Turn your body. 2. Turn your body back. 3. I do slightly diagonal, huh? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, yes. Slow down. Slow down. 1, 2, turn your body to the right. 3, turn your body back. Again, ready? Energy flow. The elbow is not straightened now, slightly bent, okay? 1, your intent going forward, forward. 2, turn your body. You know what you are doing. Even though it is slow, you still know what you are doing. Counting 3. Again. Ready? Energy flow forward. Turn your body sideward. 3, forward, squeeze and push. Ready? 1, half step forward. 2, turn your body to the right. 3, squeeze and push. Meanwhile, left heel on the floor. Again, ready? Let's do it faster. Fast. 1, 2, power. Down. 3, left heel. Ready? Keep your eyes on me. Fast. 1, 2, body turn. Down. 3, breathing. Again. Ready? Fast. Half step forward. Power. Turn to the right. And breaking by squeezing. Again. Ready? Fast. Half step forward. Power, turn to the right. And breaking by squeezing. Again. Ready? Fast. Half step forward. Power, turn to the right. And breaking by squeezing. Begin. 1, 2, turn your body to the right. 3. One more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Last time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Stop. Okay. Again, come to the screen. I'm not doing mirror image. I'm doing my side, but I want you to see the feelings. So I'm not doing mirror image. This is my right hand. Just watch. Half step forward. 1, 2, turn my body to the right. 3, turn back my body, squeeze. Last 3 times. No 下步. Ready, push right hand. Change, 手挥琵琶. 1, 2, 3. One more time. And your look, counting 1, look forward. Counting 2, your eyes following the chest direction, okay? And counting 3, turning back your head. Ready? Go. 1, look forward. 2, eyes side, follow the chest. 3, look forward again. Last time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, stop.